Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Meteor Client Stash Finder. First, locate the module in your Meteor Client settings menu. This powerful tool is designed to help you discover hidden bases and valuable stashes across the server. It works by meticulously scanning loaded chunks for specific item patterns within containers like chests and shulker boxes. When configured correctly, Stash Finder can dramatically reduce your search time, making exploration much more efficient and rewarding. To get started, enable the Stash Finder module in your Meteor Client settings. You'll want to adjust a few key parameters for optimal performance. First, set the min items to a reasonable number, perhaps 20 or 30, to avoid false positives. Next, configure the search radius to cover a wide area, maybe 200 blocks, ensuring you don't miss anything nearby. Finally, consider using the filter option to focus on specific valuable items, making your search even more precise. For effective stash finding, actively fly around to load new chunks, as the module only scans loaded areas. Keep a close eye on your chat for notifications and look for the visual outlines that indicate a detected stash. When approaching a potential find, exercise caution. Some stashes might be trapped or actively monitored. Focusing your search on less traveled parts of the map can significantly increase your chances of discovering untouched bases. Remember to clear your search history periodically for best results. For advanced usage, consider combining Stash Finder with other movement modules, like Speed or Elytra Fly, to load chunks even faster. Always be mindful of server anti-cheat systems. Overly aggressive chunk loading might draw unwanted attention. It's often wise to use a secondary account for initial scouting to protect your main account from potential bans. Remember that some servers have strict rules against client modifications, so always proceed with caution and respect server policies. Experiment with settings to find what works best.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.